Alrighty, it's time to do an installation on the Honda Vezel. So in the last video I worked out that the Honda Civic firmware works with the Vodafone Automotive alarm. Quite exciting. So we're going to go with the 4822 alarm with the built-in tilt sensor. Hardwired siren. Love this. It's small. I can hide it. If it gets wet, there's no dramas. The diffractive ultrasonics, which I believe I'm the first person in the country to have installed, or will be. Wiring harness, standard harness and the accessory harness. LED, couple of fuses. ADR card. Right, so how do I do this? I use my tablet. This has got the Andromeda programming tool, and I wire this up to the alarm, and that's what I carry around mobile so I can program stuff on the fly. I've also got a keypad because Andromeda with a tablet does not let me change the pin number. It will do everything else, but when I select the pin number to change it, I don't get the numbers appear on the screen, and that's super frustrating, but hey, that's a fix. You know, technology problems, you get around them. So, a quick look on here. So, all my auxiliary outputs, give you an idea how this works. I can simply select which output, and then I've got all these following options I can select from. It's quite versatile. I've selected the horn for output 1, OBDII protection for output 2, pager alarm to hook up to my SCD40 tracker, and I'm going for the speaker siren on the inside for an internal siren. So, it gives you an idea. I'm going to change the pin number, so don't get too clever. And once I go through all of these options, and there are a lot of options, I will quite simply just turn on the siren, program it up. And it really is that easy. So I'll exit out of there, and then that's just flashing away. Once that's done, I'm sweet. Unplug this, and we'll gather all of this lot up. Throw it in the car, and show you how it works. Right. And as if by magic and the power of editing, the alarm is installed. So, let's have a quick look. The engine bay. There's really not very much to see in here. Well, there's an engine, but if you'd gone to Wellington, to one of the car audio shops, or anywhere else in the country, you'd probably find some crappy little siren drilled up here with an override key, which is kind of pointless because you can defeat them. I don't do those. That can go in the bin. And if you look inside the car, it's equally tidy. So the ultrasonics are here. Takes a bit of doing, but I think they look pretty tidy, and I'm happy with that. And the only other thing to see is the LED override button, which I've put here. So, you know everything is tidy, well hidden. You probably want to see how the alarm sounds, or hear how it sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and arm the alarm. The LED comes on. That will stay on for about 25 seconds. And after that stage, if I put my arm through the window, it will set the alarm off. Also, it no longer disarms with the key in the door, so you can't shoot it. What else? Noise-wise, there's a external waterproof siren. There's another siren under the dashboard. and there's two sets of horns. So we've got the original security horn for the Honda, which is in the panel behind there on the other side of the vehicle actually. And there's the horns that work when you press the steering wheel. So I'm just going to go ahead and reach in through the window. By the way, probably want to put a set of these on first, or maybe turn your speakers down. So I've just disarmed that. As you can hear, it's bloody horrible. Now it's time to explain how the automatic driver recognition card works. So I've gone and turned this one off, so it replicates what happens if you don't have the card. So it will keep the vehicle immobilised, and it will also block the OBDII port, which is an option. That's not a standard feature, but it's something I can program and do. So I'll unlock the car, and you'll see the LEDs still flashing. So it's still in a state of high security system disarm. And if I jump in the car, hit the start button as per normal, you'll see the ignition turns on, but it won't crank and I can't get it into gear. So I'm just going to get the card, wake it back up, and then if I hit the start button, it starts as per normal. I'll now run through exactly the same thing, but the ADR card is turned on and it's in my pocket. So quite simply, unlock the car. It's already detected the ADR card, and the alarm's fully disarmed. The LED's turned off. What else should I mention? The high security disarm system gives you 30 seconds worth of grace before the alarm can be set off. If you're running light mode, the alarm's only going to go off if you turn the ignition on or if you open the bonnet. If you have the non-light mode, as in the standard high security system, then after 30 seconds, all inputs are fair game. So that would be ultrasonics, doors, bonnet, ignition, the whole shebang. Yeah, ADR card, real simple to live with. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.